Hey, it's Joseph here. I'm actually outside today because it's a bit early in the morning. The rest of the family is still sleeping and I didn't want to bother them. I wanted to get started on this build. So first of all, it is my dad's old PC. So basically this is his main media consumption PC and it's a bit dusty, so I'm gonna de-dust and I'm gonna change this out to a whole new kit which just arrived. So let me show you. So it is from Cooler Master Elite 110. So this is a small mini ITX case. It's a cube shaped and I think it's able to just go into the corner of the living room and not seen everywhere else, because right now this PC is fairly big and it takes a bit of work to hide into a place. So I'm just gonna de-dust this, and for the parts I'm gonna upgrade it out with my own old parts. However, it'll be a lot better than what he has in this big PC right now. A bit more about the build itself. So I think I can salvage a 3.5-inch drive out of that, and all the parts I kind of laid it out and that should look like this. And the graphics card is my old graphics card, which is a 750 Ti. So basically he uses this PC to feed the 4K TV that he has in the living room, as well as 1080p screen on its side. He's not gaming or anything, so that should be enough for his own purposes. Let's hope everything goes smooth. So actual build part is coming up now. So whilst I'm out here, let me do the outro as well. I just needed to test this setup where my camera is having a microphone as well as a stand, so I can carry it around and also record in conferences and presentations and stuff outdoor with a little bit of different lights and the sound, and see if I can even edit all of the footage. But so far it seems good, so let's see. Hopefully my build has gone smooth, as well as you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue watching this type of footage. Hopefully I'll be able to shoot a lot of videos and get that up for you guys to watch. And I think that's it. So let me just get the build going, or you already saw the build. Anyways, bye.